Are you tired of constantly swiping through your feed? Or maybe you're busy cooking or getting your nails done and want to keep watching reels without touching your phone. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing new feature, Instagram Reels Auto Scroll. This native update lets you binge watch content hands-free. So before we start, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Head to the App Store. Find your Instagram app and make sure that you are updated to the latest version. This feature is being rolled out in phases, so keeping your app current is the only way to get it. Once you're updated, open Instagram, tap on the three dots in the bottom right, and you will see an option for auto scroll. All you have to do is toggle the auto scroll, and don't panic if you don't see it yet. It might be still rolling out to your region or account. So toggle the auto scroll slider to on. From now on, as soon as a reel ends, Instagram will automatically jump to the next one for thee. In some versions, you might even see a 5-second timer appear before it scrolls. This is a massive update for creators too, because it can lead to more watch time and views. But remember, if you want to go back to the manual swiping, just hit the three dots again, untoggle the auto scroll to off.